Tesla CEO Elon Musk speaks during the official opening of a Tesla plant in Germany. Christian Marquardt. Getty Images. Tesla CEO Elon Musk defined energy independence for an electric vehicle world. You have to have the batteries. Responding to a tweet Wednesday which said there is no security without energy independence, Tesla's, ticker, TSLA CEO agreed, adding, and lithium batteries are the new oil. Batteries might be the future. For now, oil is still the new oil. The U.S. uses about 20 million barrels of oil used in the U.S. each day, about 8 million barrels are imported, and about two-thirds of that oil ends up in gas tanks, according to the Energy Department. Prices for gasoline are soaring, partly as a consequence of the war between Russia and Ukraine, something well beyond the control of most Americans or American corporations. Consumers and businesses feel the pain of higher prices, though. The U.S. Consumer Price Index rose 9.1% year-over-year in June, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Gasoline prices are a big part of overall inflation. They're up about 63% year-over-year. High oil prices are one reason interest in electric vehicles is higher. The AAA reported Wednesday that 25% of new car buyers surveyed are considering an EV for their next car. High gas prices were cited as the biggest reason consumers are considering the switch. But like Musk points out, EVs don't completely solve the problem of energy independence. It trades the oil problem for a lithium-ion battery problem. OPEC nations don't produce many lithium-ion batteries. Production is dominated by Asia. China's contemporary Amperex technology, 300,750, China, better known as CATL, makes about 30% of the world's EV batteries, according to Ford Motor CEO Jim Farley. CATL has grown into a huge company. Its $200 billion market capitalization rivals Toyota Motor, TM. Toyota, as well as Farley and Musk along with other auto executives, are working to take some of that market share. Traditional auto companies have announced billions in spending to build battery plants in the U.S. Traditional battery companies are coming to America, too. Japanese tech firm Panasonic, 6,752, Japan, announced Wednesday evening a plan for battery capacity in Kansas which will create about 4,000 jobs. The exact size of the plant wasn't included in the news release. Panasonic didn't immediately respond to a request for comment, but that many employees could likely produce enough batteries to make 800,000 or 1 million EVs annually. Most automakers, including General Motors, GM and Ford, believe roughly 50% of new car sales will be battery electric by 2030. That could mean up to 10 million EVs a year in the U.S. alone. That production requires, perhaps, 800 gigawatt-hours of battery-making capacity. That's about 80% of global battery capacity in 2021. Making batteries in the U.S. is part of the lithium-ion battery independence equation. The materials that go into batteries is another factor. Lithium is mined, mainly, in South America and Australia. The lithium is processed largely in China. Automakers are all in on battery capacity. Other materials, such as nickel and cobalt, come from many other countries. Car companies, including Tesla, might consider investing further up the battery value chain to insulate themselves from commodity price shocks like the one that U.S. drivers are experiencing in 2022. A basket of metals that go into lithium-ion batteries is up about 45% year-to-date, adding roughly $1,500 to the price of a typical EV. If Musk is right about batteries, then investing in all parts of the battery value chain, along with building battery capacity, looks to be the smartest strategy to build a competitive advantage in EVs.